Debt collection in North Macedonia. If you are owed money by a company or a person located in North Macedonia, you may be wondering what approaches you can take to collect the debt. The first step and the most logical step is to start by sending a demand letter to the debtor. This letter should state the amount of money you are owed, as well as the date by which you expect payment. Having a lawyer send this letter usually increases the chances for the debt to be paid quicker. The demand letter is not mandatory by the law, but it is a good step to start the process and potentially recover the debt without lawsuit. This approach has worked many times for our law office, and we have successfully recovered the debt without going into court. If the debtor does not respond to your demand letter, you may need to take legal action. In North Macedonia, you can file a lawsuit against the debtor in the local court or in front of a notary, depending on the type of the case. If the court finds in your favor, it will issue a judgment ordering the debtor to pay you the money you are owed. The notary will do a payment order depending on the type of the debt. It is important to be aware that you may not choose between court or notary. Adequate type of debt and legal position must be acted accordingly. Thank you for watching this presentation on debt collection by Lalicic and Boskoski Law Office from Skopje, North Macedonia.